how to view your page people banned on Messenger on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your page people banned on Messenger on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and scroll down until you find pages. Click on it and then select your page, and here just click this settings icon in top corner and then click this one, and now just here you will find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.